Welcome to Success EduTech. So in previous class we have discussed about the group 14 elements constitution of प्यारे बाबू carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and plumbum. Okay, so I hope you all are very good. Okay, so let's start physical property. Today I shall discuss about the physical property, some of the points regarding physical property. First point is all group 4a elements are solid. So basically you must know about these things, that all these elements are solids. Carbon and silicon non-metals, germanium and tin metalloids, and Pb are soft metals. So you must remember these things. Third one is down the group there is a regular decreasing in melting in boiling point, but densities increases. Okay, so Mp and Bp decreases while density will be increases. Okay, so you can see here in the order of melting point. Okay, so order of melting point is carbon has most melting point, then silicon, germanium, lead, and then tin. So here changes Pb and Sn only order, and order will be same as decreasing carbon, silicon, germanium, Pb and Sn. Okay, so Bp order is, you can see here, carbon has most boiling point, then germanium, then tin, and then Si, and then Pb. So inorganic is all about the remembering or learning these things. Basically you must know about the order, what is boiling point, what is melting point order, and then after density, you can see here density is increases. First carbon and silicon. So there are many things regards like एक्सेप्शंस बहुत सारे पाए जाते हैं. सो ऑर्डर में यू कैन सी इन जनरल ऑर्डर द ऑर्डर इज चेंजिंग at some point, so you must remember these things: carbon, silicon, germanium, Sn and Pv. Okay, so now properties of 4a elements. Physical property: group 4a elements have higher melting and boiling points than group 3a element due to increase in nuclear charge and more compactness. Okay, so compactness is higher in group 4a than the group 3a, so it has higher melting point and boiling points. Okay, so some of the objectives will be covered here. Well known radioactive isotope of carbon is C14. Okay, so obviously this thing, कार्बन का 14 जो है वो रेडियोएक्टिव आइसोटोप में मीन्स वेल नॉन है. ओके, well known radioactive isotope of carbon is C14. You must remember, and these are the questions which I have asked many times in competitive exam, as like state engineering and something like competitive exam. Which of the 4a group element shows highest density? So you have known these things, that in the group density increases when we come down the group. Okay, so plumbum Pb has lead has maximum density. Okay, the number of valency electrons इन कार्बन एटम ऑब्वियसली 4, क्योंकि 4a ग्रुप 14 ग्रुप का जितने भी एलिमेंट्स है सबके ऑटोमोस्ट ऑर्बिट 4 होंगे. ओके, सो वी नो दैट व्हाट इज वैलेंसी, द टेंडेंसी ऑफ कैपेसिटी टू या ऑटोमोस्ट जो अपन ऑटोमोस्ट ऑर्बिट में इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं उसको ऑक्टेट पूरा करने में या फिर डुएट पूरा करने में जितने भी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की गेनिंग और लूजिंग कैपेसिटी होती है उसी को वैलेंसी कहा जाता है. ओके, सो ऑब्वियसली carbon has 4 number of electrons. Which of the following element is soft metal with lower melting point? Okay, lead. So you have seen in the theoretical part, lead is soft metal and lower melting point. If electronegativity of silicon is 1.8, then electronegativity of Ge is, obviously silicon और Ge का सेम होगा, क्योंकि अपन पढ़े थे फर्स्ट 2 का डिफरेंस होता था, उसके बाद ऑलमोस्ट 3 में कांस्टेंट होता था, फिर लास्ट में जाके पीबी में चेंज हो जाता था. ओके, सो 1.8 विल बी En ऑफ Ge. ओके, सो नाउ केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ 4a एलिमेंट्स पार्ट 1. ओके, सो केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ को अपन, ये इंट्रो पार्ट चल रहा है तो इसको अपन कंटिन्यू करेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में. सो आई होप दैट यू ऑल हैव known the physical property, electronegativity and ionization enthalpy, okay, atomic radius. I hope and I believe that you all have uh, learned these things very well. Thank you very much. So if you like these videos, please like, share, subscribe the channel Success EduTech, so that we all would be appreciated for the videos, and we shall continue, we shall give our effort continuously. Okay, thank you very much.